Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we will be using the Weber Baby Q and rotisserie attachment to do a leg of pork or roast a leg of pork. And the way Weber recommends this is to set up your rotisserie, obviously, and they also recommend using a convection tray in the bottom to facilitate even heat distribution and cooking, and also to collect the fat, which will then drip down into the drip tray. Now I will be using the Outdoor Magic smoker box while I'm doing the roast, and I've got some smoking pellets in there if I can open it. There you go, they're actually rosemary and mixed herbs, which is good for lamb, pork, chicken, just anything really. So I'll be putting the Outdoor Magic smoker box inside the barbecue as well, to just allow some extra smoke flavour to be added to the meat. Now I've already made a separate video on the Outdoor Magic smoker box, and I'll link that down in the description box for those interested. And I've also got the unboxing and setup video of the Weber Q rotisserie, so I'll be linking that video down in the description box as well. Okay, here's the roast pork. There's no secrets to it. We've just put it on the spit, and I have put Himalayan pink salt all over it. I've patted it dry with some paper towels and put the salt on. You can see the salt there. Don't be scared to use lots of salt. The smoker box is there. The convection tray is there. We now turn on the power to the rotisserie. There it goes. Well, that's it there. There's no secrets, there's no oil, there's no anything. I've just simply patted this dry and put Himalayan pink salt on there. Nothing added at all. And there's our smoking box, which once it heats up a bit should start smoking with some luck. Now we'll close the lid and we'll go from there. Okay, and that's it. At this stage we've got the heat set to maximum power. And like I said, it is a bit windy today, so it might affect our cooking time slightly. We'll see how we go. I'll just film across the road for you, just so you get an idea how windy it actually is. It's only been about a minute and a half and the temperature's already coming up, so I'm happy about that. And I can start to hear the meat sizzling inside, and like I said, it's only been probably less than 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 hours and 10 minutes now for this roast pork. Keep in mind that it was very windy today, and that the wind will greatly affect your cooking time, also the size of the meat. You just really need to check your meat's temperature to ensure that it's done, and it's done when it's done. I can't tell you to cook your meat for 40 minutes or an hour and a half or 3 hours. It really just depends on how hot your barbecue's getting, how big the piece of meat is, how thick it is. External temperature, wind, all have a bearing on how long it takes for your meat to be done. Okay, we're still on the high setting. Let's open the lid and have a look to see what we've got. There you go, have a look at that. Now that looks absolutely delicious. Unless you're vegan, you'll probably hate it. But it does not get much better than that. And I did check the internal temperature of the meat. It should be just about ready. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes, and then we'll be pulling it off the barbecue, slicing it up and having something to eat. If you have any questions in relation to the Weber rotisserie and how to use it, please leave a comment down below. I'll respond to all comments. If you have enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Mike's Man Cave.